Good afternoon, and thank you for the opportunity to present today. At Malombo Music Association, we are increasingly seeing that climate change is no longer a future issue for many of our communities. It is already affecting people's daily lives. Residents are experiencing overheating homes, damp and mold, rising energy costs, poor ventilation, and increasing financial and emotional stress. Importantly, these impacts are not experienced equally. Climate change is acting as what many have come to describe as a threat multiplier, intensifying existing inequalities that are linked to poverty, poor housing, respiratory illnesses, isolation, and wider health inequalities. The communities already facing the greater disadvantage are often the most vulnerable to climate-related health risks and least connected to support. Our proposed Community Climate Resistance Hub is designed as a trusted, practical, neighborhood-based support model. Rather than expecting residents to navigate fragmented systems alone, we want to meet people where they already are through trusted community relationships and accessible community spaces. The hub would provide community workshops, drop-in support, practical energy advice, healthy homes guidance, overheating prevention support, ventilation awareness, and community climate engagement activity. This is not about abstract climate conversation. It is about helping residents understand how climate change is affecting their homes, health and well-being, and supporting practical action at community level. A central part of the model is the development of community climate ambassadors. We propose training between 5 and 8 local ambassadors who can support peer learning, outreach, healthy homes awareness, and community climate resilience engagement. We know from experience that communities often respond best to familiar faces, trusted relationships, and people who understand their local realities. This model is therefore not simply about service delivery. It is about building local agency, leadership, and long-term resilience within communities themselves. We want communities to be active participants in climate resilience, not passive recipients of information. In short, we anticipate directly supporting more than 50 residents through improved climate awareness, healthy homes knowledge, reduced energy stress, and stronger community resilience networks. However, our wide ambition goes beyond the pilot itself. We see this as an opportunity to begin developing a scalable, borough-wide, and potentially city-wide community resilience approach rooted in prevention, trust, and equity. We want to help ensure that the communities most affected by climate change are not left behind in climate adaptation and resilience planning. Ultimately, our vision is to embed climate resilience within wider neighborhood support systems that are linked to health, housing, well-being, and community infrastructure. We believe climate resilience cannot be separated from health inequalities, housing conditions, social connection, and community trust. And we believe the most effective solutions will be those that are community rooted, equitable, and locally trusted. This pilot is an opportunity to begin building that infrastructure collaboratively. Thank you very much.